PM visits Tekelangjun High School, held discussion on upgrading the school to higher secondary. Family seeks assistance for BJP office secretary's medical treatment. Karbi Language Teacher Association submits memorandum to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, demands fulfillment of various demands. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Chili Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. The number of COVID-19 patients in Assam is now touching the 2,000 mark, with the state registering more than 100 new cases daily. Here is more from our report. On Thursday, 29 more persons were discharged from hospital, raising the tally of cured patients to 442. However, this tally of discharged persons is shadowed by the daily increase in cases. On Thursday, as many as 158 new cases were reported at the time of filing this report. Of this, 79 are from Hojai alone. On Wednesday, the Mahasal district also reported a big surge in the COVID count with 30 new cases, according to the information shared by Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. As of now, the total number of positive cases in Assam has risen to 1,988. Meanwhile, during an interview with the national news channel Times Now, Dr. Himanta has urged upon the governments of Maharashtra and Delhi to take more care of the people of Assam being stranded there. Through his Twitter account, the health minister also expressed his anguish over the hardships that the stranded persons are facing. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. One of the most important factors in the development of education in the society is to make it easily accessible. And with the increase in numbers of students every year, it has become important to set up more schools, especially for studies after class 10. In one such step to promote education, the people of Samilangso block are about to get upgradation of educational facility in the vicinity. Here is more from our correspondent's report. On Thursday, local MSc and EM Raju Tiso visited Tekelangjun High School and held a discussion with the SMDC members of the school, which was attended by Principal Jivan Chandra Bhuyan and SMDC President Deep Singh Inti and other members. The meeting was called to discuss on local need for upgrade of the school into higher secondary school with arts and science stream.
Tekelangjun aru bihator Tekelangjun ৰাইজে বহু বছৰৰ পৰা বিচাৰি আছিলে এই টেকেলাঞ্জুন হাইস্কুলখন বহু বছৰ ধৰি পেলাই আশা কৰি আছিলে, বিচাৰি আছিলে যে এইখন স্কুল আৰু ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ ডিমাণ্ডটো আছিলে।
Principal of the school, while briefing the media persons after the meeting, was elated to inform that permission had been received for the upgrade of the school. He also stated that this school will become the first to have higher secondary section for both arts and science streams within Samilangso block.
High school upgrade kori jitu science stream dile arts stream or logote etu Samilangso blockot ete prothom amar ekhon school prothom science stream poa.
The news for the proposed upgrade came at the time when class 10 students are awaiting their board result, and if the arrangement goes well, students from Tekelangjun and other remote places would soon have the option to pursue study up to 10+2 in Tekelangjun itself, rather than coming to Dokmoka. And this indeed has come as good news for both the people of the area and the students' fraternity, and has lauded EM Raju Tiso for taking the important step towards changing the education scene in the area. Samsung Inti reporting from Dongmoka, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs, which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention: no treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong, where you'll get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Family members of the BJP Office Secretary Mohan Singh Teron have sought financial assistance for his urgent medical treatment. Teron has been suffering from diabetes and his health is stated to be deteriorating and requires immediate medical attention. Our Hamren correspondent brings you this report. Family members of the BJP Office Secretary has sought the financial assistance from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and elected representative of Soching and Hamren MEC constituency EM Rup Singh Teron and EM Mongol Singh Timung for the treatment of Teron, who has been bedridden due to diabetes. The BJP Office Secretary has been deeply involved in party activities and had played important role in strengthening party base while being in both the Congress and also after joining the BJP. Due to his hard work and deep involvement towards strengthening the party, he was appointed as Office Secretary of the Saffron Party. He, however, became a diabetic patient and is seriously ill and exhausted all financial sources after he was taken to Guwahati Apollo Hospital for treatment. The BJP Office Secretary also urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM and the elected representatives to provide small employment for his wife, as there are no breadwinner to support his family, including his children. Daniel Inghi reporting from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Language Teacher Association submitted a memorandum to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang in demand for fulfillment their various demands of Karbi language teachers and Karbi medium teachers. During the day, the memorandum and cash of Rs 51,000 towards CEM Relief Fund on behalf of the two hill districts was handed over to CEM Tuliram Ronghang by Karbi Language Teacher Association Central Committee leaders at his official chamber during office hours. Later in the day, a press conference was convened at Dipu Kala Kendra, which was led by its President Robinson Pator, General Secretary Dhoniram Kro, and Publicity Secretary Longki Hanse.
Teacher tum suri krehinia dim suring korapian pabat ponte mesenji laben provincialized along kethan ME school gov ME school apen high school along kethan akel tia tum hanke Ciklo yana bainong suri kep long bong lo la suri kep adim suring koi kipi pansi tum hang lo.
During the press conference, the Teachers Association expressed their hope and urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CEM Tuliram Ronghang for fulfillment of their various demands. The Teachers Association also demanded that prior to regularization of their jobs, the monthly salaries of the language teachers be raised from the present Rs 12,000 to Rs 24,000. In addition to this, the association demanded increase of monthly salary of Karbi language teacher of provincialized ME and high school level from the existing Rs 5,000 to Rs 12,000. The teachers' body concluded their press conference expressing their hope that their demands would be taken up at the highest level and be fulfilled under the able leadership of CEM Tuliram Ronghang. Bikram Kro reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.